When it comes to securing financing for your business, there are various options to consider, with business lines of credit and loans being two of the most common choices. But how do you decide which one is right for your specific needs? Let's explore the key differences between business lines of credit and loans to help you make an informed decision. Understanding business line of credit versus loan. Before we explore the pros and cons of each financing option, let's clarify the fundamental differences. Business loan. A lump sum of money borrowed for a specific purpose with set repayment terms and interest rates. Business loans are typically used for large, one-time expenses. Business line of credit. A revolving credit facility that provides access to a predetermined amount of money. You can draw from this line of credit as needed, pay interest only on the amount used, and reuse the credit as you repay it. Business lines of credit offer flexibility for ongoing or unexpected expenses. The flexibility factor. If flexibility is a top priority for your business, then a business line of credit may be the ideal choice. Unlike a traditional loan, which provides a one-time lump sum, a business line of credit gives you the freedom to access funds when you need them. This flexibility can be a lifesaver for businesses with varying cash flow needs, enabling you to cover unexpected expenses or take advantage of growth opportunities. Interest costs, business line of credit versus loan. The cost of borrowing is another critical aspect to consider. Business lines of credit typically come with variable interest rates, while loans offer fixed interest rates. If you're concerned about interest rate fluctuations affecting your costs, a business loan might be a safer bet. However, lines of credit can offer lower interest costs when managed wisely. Qualification and application process. When comparing business lines of credit versus loans, one key advantage is the ease of qualification and application. Traditional banks often have stringent requirements for loans, including high credit scores and extensive financial documentation. In contrast, obtaining a business line of credit is typically easier, making it a viable option for newer businesses or those with less than perfect credit. Collateral and security, a loan requirement. Most business loans require collateral, which is a valuable asset you pledge to secure the loan. Collateral provides security for the lender, but can be a risk for borrowers if they're unable to repay the loan. On the other hand, business lines of credit are often unsecured, meaning you don't need to put up collateral.
Very excited to share with you that you can get up to $25,000 today. Transparent terms and industry-leading early pay discounts. Our terms and rates are very easy to understand, unlike many banks. And if you pay off your capital advance within a year, you get a significant discount on your rate. Yes, online immediate approval. It's a very simple, easy process. No hard credit inquiries. Receive funds same day or the next day. If you get in your application and get approved by noon that day, get it that same day. Otherwise, you may get it in the morning or sometime during the next day. You work with a personalized account manager. You can draw more funds as you pay. So if you pay off the first capital advance and you need more funding, we'll help you get that funding. I'll go over a couple bullet points here. How it works. On the left-hand side, these are the items you need to get approved immediately. 5,000 plus monthly bank revenue, business checking account, 6 months in business, 450 plus credit score. All industries are included. Middle section, get funded $2 to $25,000 with our breezy online easy application. Link online banking, review approval terms, sign agreement online, receive funds. This all happens very quickly. On the right side, pay and draw more. Payment history earns you more. Save with early pay discounts. Receive funding again. Add-on funds available. So what happens if you need more than $25,000? We got you covered there too. Just click on this button for large funding application on our website. Brings you to our mainstay, David Allen Capital website for business capital advances. You can receive up to $2 million this week. Simple and fast. Receive a decision within 1 day and capital between $10,000 and $2 million as soon as 1 to 2 business days. So it's very fast approval, very fast capital again. We represent only the top best rated providers. They actually compete to bring you back the very best rates. Use the funds as you choose. It's a non-collateral business capital. And our rates and everything is spelled out, very transparent, easy to understand, unlike many banks. So again, we're very excited to share with you our new initiative, our business funding for the smaller business. Get up to $25,000 today. instant approvals, and also same-day funding if you get your approval in by noon that day. Otherwise, it's the morning or sometime during the next day. Very excited, so please click the description below the video. If you're on a cell phone, it's a little harder to find, but there is a description down there. And then you'll see our website. Click the website link, and then come here to our website, click this button, get up to 25K today. As you can see, the form couldn't be simpler. It's a simple form. Fill this out. Take a photo of a couple items that they're going to request, and then you will be well on your way. If you need help, there you go. Right there's a pop-up chat screen. You can chat with somebody and they will help you out.